Hello and welcome everyone to another StageDesigner tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to see how to activate and use audio in StageDesigner and FXServer versions of the software. To activate audio, first I would go to Settings, Input and Output, and here I would navigate to the Audio Devices tab and I get access to the settings for audio. To activate audio, first I would need to click here. I would need to activate Open Audio. And I see there's an R in front of this setting, which means the software needs a new start while I'm done with the settings. So if I want this setting to be activated, I need to close this, restart the software, and then it's going to be activated. From this list, I can select the output device, which means where I would need to send my audio to. I can select it in case I have multiple devices. And from this list, I can select the input device, which means if I would use, for example, audio as input in my live editor for some interactive stuff or projects, I can select it here in the input device from this menu. I can adjust the sample rate, I can adjust the latency in case I have some latency between audio and video. I can adjust it here, and I can click on reopen afterwards, and audio is now activated and ready to be used. If I click play on any clip that has audio file, I'm going to be able to hear the audio. If I need to adjust the master audio levels, I can go to the render output here to the audio tab, and I can adjust the level or loudness of the audio on the master output. And if I need to do adjustments on single clips, I could always double click here on the clip, and here I can go to the audio tab, the third one, and I already see the available tracks of audio on this clip and the available outputs that I have on my audio device. And here I can do rerouting, or basically I can change the routing of the audio in case I need it. For example, if I'm using multi-channel audio tracks with multi-channel outputs, then I can just do the rerouting however way I want it. And I can also adjust the audio, but only for the single track here in the preload menu. And once I have clips already in play, and if I need to change any of these options, I can also come to Live Editor and here go to the audio tab, and I can get access to the exact settings. And that is how we use or activate audio and use it in MX Vendor, StageDesigner and FXServer versions of the software. Hope you're enjoying using the software, and see you in another tutorial.